Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to talk about distinct count in Excel pivot table. Distinct count is a feature that helps us to count the number of distinct values. In this example, I have a subset of sales data. We can see that since one invoice might contain more than one item details, so the invoice number in the table is duplicated. If we want to count how many invoices we actually possess, we can use distinct count. This can be done by adding a pivot table source data to the workbook data model. First, I will select the top left corner of my sample data. Then, what I'm going to do is to click the pivot table button. I will click Insert, Pivot Table. Now we can see that the range of cells are selected automatically. We need to track the option on the bottom. Add this data to the data model. OK. So there is the pivot table field panes shown on the right hand side. What we need to do next is to drag the invoice number to the rows. Then I'll click the invoice number again to the values. Since we want to get the distinct count of invoice, what we are going to do is to click on the small arrow to bring out the value field setting. In the Summarize field by selection list, we can choose distinct count and click OK. Let's track the result. So the distinct count number of invoice number are displayed. Great, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helps, please give me a thumb up. See you.